Okay, here's Banana Splits driving. Take one. Okay, put your foot on the brake. Is your foot on the brake?
Yes.
Okay. Now put it down into D. Now you gotta push this thing down there.
Okay. I can't do it. Too hard.
There's D.
Okay.
Go a little bit. Oh, okay, we gotta step on the gas now because we're on a hill. So just step on the gas real lightly. Take your foot off the brake.
So, foot off the brake and put this on?
Just on a little bit and get ready to put your foot on the brake again. Whoop. Whoa!
Oh my goodness!
What was that? You spun the tires. Okay, now only put your foot on the gas a little bit, and take your foot off the brake first. Okay, take your foot off the brake. Now just a little bit of gas, just a little bit. Okay, there, good.
Okay.
Okay, now straighten up the wheel.
How?
Right, turn it that way.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're kind of in the grass here. Okay, stop here. Ah! Okay, put it in park. Okay, and turn the key off. Made it. How do you stop this?
Red.